Hi everybody, sono Laura Battovaz, sono qui con Carole Feuerman alla Fonderia Artistica ARTú a Firenze e siamo qui per parlare di Perseverance insieme a Carole. Perseverance verrà presentata alla Biennale di Venezia e siamo curiosi di sapere cosa ha portato un artista di fama internazionale ad essere qui e a portare avanti questo progetto.
The name of the sculpture is Perseverance, and I take it from my life story about persevering and not to give up when you have an idea, and I think it's a universal idea to persevere. And it's a girl on her hands, almost in a yoga handstand. I start with an idea in my head, usually an experience I had, and then I get a model and she does a pose. Mm-hmm. And then of course she couldn't hold this pose where she's curved so much. These are the hands and the arms and they're made out of wax, and it's going to bear most of the weight of the sculpture. Her feet, of course, everybody loves feet, and it has a lot of detail, and the feet go like this and they're touching. So this is the face of Perseverance, and when I check the wax, I'm just putting finishing touches on the eyebrows and the eyelashes and the shape of the eye. This is the lower torso, and I'm heating up the sculpting tools with a flame, and then I'm going to shape this wax so it has a different shape a little bit, and I want to make it so it's a bathing suit, it's tight over this area. I'm working on these folds so that they look beautiful. The wax is important because there's a ceramic shell over the wax used to make the bronze. It's a long process. I tell everyone 2 years, sometimes it's 4 years.